Let's go to testing any N-channel MOSFET with multimeter in 5 steps. Turn on your multimeter and set it to diode mode for checking your MOSFETs. Like and subscribe. We teach everything you want. Identify the pins. Gate, drain, source. Check the datasheet from internet by searching the part number. For example, IRF 840 pin out. Check the body diode. After setting multimeter to diode mode, connect red probe to source pin and connect black probe to drain pin. You should get a reading around 0.5 to 0.7 volt, and then reverse the probes. Multimeter should show OL. Turn the MOSFET on by charging the gate of MOSFET. Connect black probe to source pin and connect red probe to gate for 1 second, then the MOSFET turns on. Now set the multimeter to bezier mode and connect red probe to drain and connect the black probe to source pin, then multimeter should show continuity or beep. Turn the MOSFET off by discharging the gate. Touch both probes together to discharging, or touch all of the MOSFET pins by your finger. Then check again between drain and source. Multimeter should be OL. If it stays on, the MOSFET is faulty. You can connect props to pins, and in every sequence multimeter should be OL.